The bell above the bakery door chimed softly, almost shyly, as a little girl stepped inside with trembling hands clutching two crumpled dollar bills. She hesitated, staring at the glass display filled with colorful cakes she knew she couldn't afford. What happened next, because one tired single dad chose kindness on an ordinary afternoon, would leave everyone in that small shop fighting back tears. And if stories about unexpected humanity move your heart, make sure you stay until the very end, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because moments like this deserve to be shared. The girl's name was Lily. She had just turned 8 that morning. There were no balloons waiting at home, no wrapped presents, no excited crowds singing, "Happy Birthday." Her mother had passed away 2 years earlier, and her father worked double shifts at a factory, barely managing rent. He had given Lily $2 before leaving for work and kissed her forehead, apologizing quietly that it was all he could spare. Lily smiled and told him it was perfect. She had already decided what she would do with it. She walked 3 blocks to the bakery she passed every day on the way to school. She loved standing outside its window, imagining what it would feel like to have a cake with her name written in frosting. Today was her birthday, and even if she couldn't have a real cake, she wanted to try. The bakery smelled of vanilla and warm sugar. Lily waited patiently until the line thinned, then stepped up to the counter and placed her $2 down carefully, smoothing the bills as if that might help. "Excuse me," she said softly, barely louder than a whisper. "Can I get anything for $2? It's my birthday." The cashier froze for a moment. She looked at the money, then at Lily's hopeful eyes, and her smile faltered. Behind the counter were cakes that cost $20, $30, even $50. Cupcakes were $4. Cake slices were $6. She gently shook her head and said, "I'm really sorry, sweetie. I don't think we have anything for that price." Lily nodded quickly, as if she had expected that answer all along. "That's okay," she said, trying to sound brave. "Thank you anyway." She scooped up her money and turned toward the door, blinking hard so the tears wouldn't fall in front of strangers. That's when another voice spoke up from behind her. "Hey," the man said, calm but warm. "Wait a second." Lily turned around slowly. Standing there was a man in worn jeans and a faded jacket, holding the hand of a little boy about her age. He looked tired in the way only adults carrying too much responsibility look tired, but his eyes were kind. This was Daniel, a single dad who had come in to buy day-old bread and something small to surprise his son after a long week.